Hi everyone. Today I'm going to show a very simple chatbox program. I want to know how to improve it. Anyone watch the video can leave comments to show how to improve the chatbox. So we have 3 users. So use dictionary to store the username, river, lake, road, and their password 111222233. So for the login part, I use a while true. Ask user to type the username and the password. If the password is correct, then login successful. Otherwise, we'll keep asking the user to type the username and password. So after successful login, you can type bye to leave anytime you want. So we hard code some answers. Feel free to add more answers you like. And another while true to keep chatting. So we ask you to ask user to type information. First, we check if the information is bye. If it equals bye, then just stop the chatting. Otherwise, the chat box will randomly choose the answer from the list of answers to answer your question. So then we print the reply. So let's run the program. So username, let's just use the first one. Username river, password 111. Now login successful. I can chat. So how about let's try bye. It stopped. Let's try again. So the username is Lake. Password is 222. So this time let's chat with the robot. What is your name? I'm still learning. How old are you? That sounds fun. Are you learning Python? Can you tell me more? So the answer is very randomly. The answer was chosen from this list. So how to improve the chat box? Please leave your comments. Thanks. We can please leave your comments, then we can improve the chat box. Thanks.